Open Photoshop and create a new document. I'm using 1920 by 1080 pixels with RGB color mode. Change the color of the background by selecting the Paint Bucket tool. Select your desired color and click on the canvas. Grab the Type tool and type your text in uppercase. I'm using a bold, blocky font to make the landmarks stand out. Head over to Window. Character to adjust the spacing. I've set the tracking to 50 for a clean, modern look. Now, let's bring in the landmarks. Always use royalty-free or licensed assets to stay safe. Go to File, Place Embedded, select your image, and resize it. Bring in the rest of the images the same way. Bring the image in front of the text, right-click on the image layer, and select Create Clipping Mask. This will clip the image to the text layer. Create a clipping mask for the sky tower the same way. Now, if you want to make part of the image pop out, duplicate the image layer. Release the clipping mask for the duplicated layer. I am using the Quick Selection tool to isolate an area. Simply select the Quick Selection tool, adjust the brush size according to the width of the subject, click on the image to drag. Use Alt to subtract unwanted parts from the selection. Add a layer mask. This creates a cool effect where the landmark seems to break out of the text. Repeat this for the other landmarks, arranging one per 2 or 3 letters. Group all your layers by clicking on the topmost layer, holding Shift, clicking on the last layer, and pressing Ctrl and G. This ensures a consistent look across the entire design when applying effects. Time to add some depth and dimension. Double-click the group layer to open Layer Styles. Apply Bevel and Emboss and Drop Shadow, then experiment with different effects to make the text pop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.